All the way forward, all the way forward, all the way forward.
Walking right onto the theater, please keep a small step back away from the silver railing. Just make sure we're not leaning on, over, or through the silver railing, please. And now our feature presentation, Mickey Mouse in Perfect Picnic. Enjoy!
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and the magic will be my way. Everything is just so peachy.
Hi, Goofy.
Howdy, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady.
Oh, me?
Do you mind helping these good people in the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, I was planning to go to Cafe Greasy to get a pizza flop over.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
You don't have to wait. Like this night, please watch your steps. Make sure to keep your families together. Who knows what could happen? Come on down, everyone. Don't slip on any of that blueberry pie. Seems like it could be dangerous. Or delicious. I haven't gotten my pizza flop over yet. Good luck out there. In there? No, through there. Now, what is reality anyway?
Me and my fifth hour on you. Stand together if you want to ride together. It's up to 5 in a row. There are 2 lines ahead, one on the left and one on the right.
Well, howdy, everybody. It's me, employee of the month, Engineer Goofy. Whoa! Welcome to Runaway Railroad. For your safety while riding aboard the train, always stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train cars. And be sure to keep an eye on your little railroad lights. Okay? Come here, thanks.
All of us are
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Come on, square with me. What the fuss is going on?
I must have hit that track switch.
Come on,
Now, let's cargo!
That explains why I wear pants and Pluto doesn't. Oh, you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Well, how do you stop? Or just check my trusty man. Oh, and see what happens. Hope you don't have any other plans. Well, heck, yours! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong!
Nothing can stop us now. I need someone that would find me.
What's this lever do?